The diagram illustrates how a butterfly metamorphoses from an egg to a butterfly. Summarizes information by selecting and reporting key features and making comparisons where relevant.
Metamorphosis is a biological development process in animals that can change the appearance and structure after hatching. This plant pollinating insect goes through complete metamorphosis with the sequence of stages of egg, caterpillar or larva, cocoon or pupa, and adult or imago.
Egg. In general, butterflies of the peppermint family lay eggs one by one or in layer on the host plant. The female butterfly will lay her eggs on the stalk, leaf, or other part of the plant, which are later used as food for larvae or caterpillar. Butterfly eggs have various color and shapes with a size of 1 and 2 mm. The shapes themselves are semi-round, round, oval, and circular. Then, what about the stadium period? The egg stage of each type of butterfly is different. Then, the female butterfly produces a varying number of eggs. Some lay eggs in small number and some lay eggs in large number. There are several species that lay eggs with a small number, which is about 30 eggs or can even be counted on the finger. Several other species produce a relative large number of eggs, which is about 100 and 200 eggs during their lifetime. Please note, the number of female butterfly eggs will determine its sustainability. However, there are several other factors that can affect the survival of butterflies. Another factor is the natural threats that butterflies must face, such as the presence of parasites or predators. This factor makes the butterfly can only leave a few eggs that will successfully hatch to the larval, pupa, and image stage. The next metamorphosis of a butterfly is a larva, or what is often known as a caterpillar. In this phase, larva or caterpillar experience an active and intensive feeding phase to support their development. This phase will be marked by a change of skin, or commonly known as molting. The stage of molting from one to the next is called an instar. The color difference in each larva or caterpillar aims as a stranger to avoid predator. Caterpillar can attract attention as a sign of danger or warning coloration. Why is it called a red flag? Because this light-colored caterpillar will alert predator that's poisonous. Various larvae or caterpillar have different hairs or spines on their body surface. The shape, color, fur, and feet of each type of larva or caterpillar are different. The morphology of butterfly larvae is generally cylindrical in shapes consisting of a thorax, cephalic, and abdomen. There are strong eyes and mouthparts on the cephalic of butterflies larvae. This type of mouth serves to bite and chew or chewing mouthpart. Then on the thorax there are 3 pairs of short legs on 4 pairs of broad or procedural legs. Life in the larva stage tends to be very vertical, namely eating and growing. Larvae will eat continuously throughout the day to collect energy reserved at the pupa stage. At this stage, the larva will be very selection in terms of food selection. The larva only eat food from the host plant that the female butterfly has chosen when laying her egg. This phase takes about 1 and 2 months.
3. Pupa cocoon. The resting phase after the latter have full grown and started eating is known as the pupa or cocoon stage. During the process of getting to an adult butterfly or immediate, the pupa will be fed in a crystal and will not move. This is stage as larva has a skeleton got the well have it took the state twig or life. Incident the crystal layer that seems sealed and distinct. A major catch progress or ghost that will form a dead butterfly ready to emerge from the pupa cell. Generally, the pupa has a ground of brown called as larva's defense mechanism from predators. The pupa will remove the color of the plant as a form to self-defense mechanism, and the pupa stage butterfly that often occurs because it is ill self-defended by parasites animal. The parasites will feed the body of the pupa and like in it the pupa corn with the time the first egg hatch and it the body is general the pupa phase lasts about 1 and 2 weeks. As read the process of perfect metamorphosis. Immigrant butterfly. Getting to know the metamorphosis of the butterfly from egg larva pupa to emergent morphology illustration. Abiotics for the sex and humidity, air temperature, and sunlight will affect the butterfly that will calm you of the pupa. This butterfly generally after sunrise or dead note. Why so? Item to help process of driving butterfly with wings such that they can fly with its current of food. Butterflies that emerge from the pupa are fed by Israeli on fence on the pupa grass. The air that's under the pupa body field often the pupa cell just behind the hind. That the butterfly will forget its body out of the pupa crescent on off. The butterfly set light down and body move within a few minutes of having blood on its wings. Panel from a green media will ready to fly. Adult butterflies with several wings to be fed in the form of textile. In addition, adult butterflies with brain to feed a mate and continue tail offspring.